All right, if you're a freelance writer trying to figure out this whole AI thing, then you've come to the right place. Think of this as your personal playbook. We are going to break down exactly how you can land those amazing, high-paying clients and set rates that actually build a real career.
Okay, let's just get right to it and tackle the big question, the fear that's on everyone's mind. With AI able to spit out content in, seconds? Is there even any room left for us? It's a totally fair question, but trust me, the answer is probably not what you're thinking.
And here it is. This is the whole secret. The market is not flooded with good content. It's flooded with junk. You know, that robotic, generic, unedited AI text? And you know what that means? It creates a massive opportunity for writers, for you, who can bring that human touch, that strategy, that voice. That's your secret weapon. So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the real opportunity with AI. Then we'll get into the services that actually pay well. After that, the workflow that makes you invaluable, where to find the good clients, and finally, the big one, how to price your work without selling yourself short. First things first, we gotta reframe how we think about AI. Seriously, it is not some threat that's coming for your job. It is the single most powerful tool you could possibly add to your toolkit. Let me show you what I mean. Let's just talk numbers for a second, because they don't lie. In the US, a full-time content writer makes on average around $90,000 a year. This is not some low-paying gig. As a freelancer, you're tapping into that exact same high-value market. The demand for writers who know what they're doing, writers who can get results, is higher than ever. In this, right here, you need to remember this. AI will not replace content writers, but writers who use AI will absolutely replace those who don't. See, the whole debate isn't about you versus a machine. AI is a tool. It makes you faster, better at research, more efficient. The writers who master it, they're the ones who are going to be impossible to replace. Okay, so you get it. You're going to use AI. But what should you actually be selling? Because not all writing gigs are created equal, not by a long shot. So let's focus on the services that clients are happy to pay top dollar for. Just take a second and look at these numbers. And remember, these aren't yearly salaries. This is what you could earn from a single client. Things like ghostwriting on LinkedIn or writing blogs for tech companies, they're so valuable because they directly help a business make more money. That's what clients pay for. Results. Now, if you're just starting out, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed. So where do you begin? My advice is super simple. Start with LinkedIn posts and blog writing. Why? Well, for one, the demand is absolutely massive. It's also the fastest way to build a portfolio that looks amazing, and you usually get paid quicker. It's all about getting that ball rolling. Okay, this next part, this is the secret sauce. This is what separates the freelancers who are struggling from the ones who are earning six figures. It's not about writing from a blank page anymore. It's about taking what AI gives you and turning it into something brilliant. And here's how you do it. It's a simple three-step process. First, you add personal stories. You swap out those generic lines with real, specific examples. Second, you inject your voice. Make it sound like a human. And third, and listen, this is absolutely non-negotiable, you fact-check everything. AI makes stuff up all the time. You are the quality control. I mean, just look at the difference here. The before from the raw AI, yeah, it's correct, but it's so boring. It's flat, it's robotic. The after, though? It's got punch. It's direct. It feels like a real person talking to you. That right there, that transformation, that's your value. That's what people will pay you for. All right, you've got the skills down. You know how to take AI content and make it amazing. So the million-dollar question is, where are these clients hiding? Where do you find the ones who will actually pay you what you're worth? So here are 3 methods that actually work. Yeah, you can start on freelance platforms like Upwork to get some quick wins. But honestly, the real game changers, where the best clients are direct outreach on LinkedIn, and my personal favorite, using your own content to attract your ideal clients directly to you. And for that LinkedIn outreach, here is a super simple template that doesn't feel spammy at all. See how it's personalized, it shows you did your homework, and it offers value right away. Go ahead and screenshot this, but remember, the key is to make it your own. Don't just copy and paste. And now, let's talk about the one thing everybody gets nervous about, pricing. How in the world do you charge what you're actually worth and do it with confidence? Let's break it down step by step. When you're a beginner, your number one goal is not to get rich overnight, it's to get experience and build a killer portfolio. So your prices should be lower, just to get those first 5 or 10 clients in the door. This is about building your foundation. Focus on learning and doing amazing work. Okay, once you've got that portfolio and some good testimonials, you're at the intermediate level. Now's the time to raise your prices. And this is so important, you need to start shifting clients to monthly retainers. This is an absolute game changer. It gives you stable, predictable income, which is freedom. Now, at the advanced level, you're not just a writer anymore. You're a strategist, you're an expert. And your prices reflect that. You're charging premium rates because you're not just delivering words, you're delivering strategy and results. This, my friends, is the goal. And as you go on this journey, please, please avoid these common mistakes. Never ever publish raw AI content. Always, always hit your deadlines. Stop charging too little, you'll just burn out. And oh my gosh, follow up with potential clients. Seriously, most of the deals happen after the second or third message. Finally, I just want to leave you with this one thought. Don't let perfect be the enemy of done. In this business, consistency is everything. An 80% good article delivered on time is infinitely better than a 100% perfect one that never shows up. Your clients will thank you for it. Now, go get him.